Okay, so we've got a inspection kind of call here. Old part of town right over here close to where I grew up, and they've turned this house into a duplex. I do feel it awful cool under here, but the owner is saying that he thinks he has some significant air leaks. And I think it's the one over there that is mostly complaining the bill has skyrocketed. So let's go look at these furnaces and see what we can tell. All right, so this is a relatively new install. I see the return air plenum not really fitting good back there. All this up here looks like it's probably done pretty well. Let's go ahead and get a close look at everything. They did use metal. It's not just tape. And it's, for whatever reason, has a slab coil. Not really sure why that would be. So let's go look at the other side. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be the complaint side, but just thought I'd look at them both while I was here. Now over there, I don't see, I can hear some air. I don't see the same kind of slab coil set up. Looks like a cased coil, and it is blown open. Look at that. Let's go over there and look. So nothing but tape. Boy, isn't that brilliant. Let's go to the other side and look at the service side over there. Okay, got a Heil furnace over here. Looks like a Goodman coil. But nothing but tape right there. What a Beavis and Butthead installer that was. Anybody that does that, I mean, that'll probably stay for like 10 seconds, not even that. What a moron. So I don't have any sheet metal or anything with me, but I'm gonna say this needs about 1.5 inches in one direction, 1 inch in another, and about 20 inches long. And screw it down, and then just, it's so dirty now that there's no sense taping it with this paint mastic on it. But for the moment here, I'm gonna at least shove some bricks up against it. Try to at least hold that tape. Gosh. I mean, serious hack job there. All right, so that'll do a little better for today. We'll talk to him about fixing this. Let's get out of here. All right, well, it looks like my bricks did pretty well for a temporary fix here. They kept the tape right up against it where it should be. So we're going to take a piece of sheet metal and screw it down here and get this thing fixed right.